Safe India organize.
సేఫ్ ఇండియా ఆర్గనైజ్
అయిపోయింది. నేను కూడా వచ్చేది ఇంకేం చేస్తా. ఏది ఇదేనా? Dear brothers and sisters, this is a Safe India orphanage. Today, food provided by Mr. and Mrs. Yogesh. Thank to them. Especially we are giving to thanks to God. God provide today special food for this orphan children. Every day God provide to us a good supper, good meals or energy food. Say God will. We are thankful to all donors and supporters. Especially today we are giving to special thanks Mr. Yogesh and his good family. Thank you. आप जेमा इधर